This is just a quick little overview of how to use Desmos. So you go to desmos.com/practice. If you want to use the scientific, I don't know much about that one. I'm guessing it's very similar to what we have, but I'm going to show you the graphing calculator one. On the graphing calculator, you'll see the grid come up. This over here is where you're going to type in your equation. So you can type it in off your keyboard. So I can type in y equals x plus 5, and there's my equation. I can change that equation, and I'm going to show you how to also type that equation in using this little keypad down here. So down in the bottom left-hand corner is the keypad. When that comes up, you can just click on it right here. So I can do this entire equation that I just put in by clicking on y equals x plus 5. And there's a graph. And you'll notice that it gives you 2 points on that graph where it crosses the y-axis. There's your y-intercept. There's your x-intercept. If I want a different equation, I can just come down here and we'll do it in a different color. So y equals. This time I'm going to do a fraction. To do a fraction, you're going to use your keyboard that I have found. I have not found a functions anyplace else. So let's see if there's anything else to find here. What do these do? Not seeing much there. Okay. So to do a fraction, you're going to go 1 divide. Oops. Okay. Clear that one. Sorry, I was in the wrong place. So y equals 1 divided by 2. And then you're going to have to come back up here and click on it, I believe. Let's see. Let's play with that just a little bit. Oh, no. Just hit this key right here. Just learned something new myself. So you can do it all by keypad if you want to. And you can type in an X. And there you go. If I want to, I'm going to clear that fraction. So that's how I do fractions. I can do it either by 1/2 on my keyboard, or I can do 1 divided by 2 and then come up beside it so that you can put the X beside it. You're not going to have your variables down in your denominator too much. Okay, so let's take that one off. And I can type in X. And if I want to do a squared term, see this a squared, that's going to give me a squared term. And there's your parabola right away. So if you want to do that. Now, the other thing you can do is, let's say that I am doing systems of equations. I can actually type in 2 systems of equations, 2x plus y equals 7. There's 1. And then I type in my second equation of 3x. Oops, hold on. Y, oh no, it doesn't really matter. 3x plus y equals 1. Okay, and if I want to see where those intersect, I can just zoom in and out. And then notice it gives me my intersection point. So then I can just go up here, up at the top, and place my cursor over that. So I can do solving systems of equations by graphing. Even if they are not ones that are going to be convenient to graph, I could plug it in and find out what that intersection point is. So that might be kind of helpful too to use. So going back to translations, if I wanted to do y equals x squared, do a second function, y equals parentheses x minus 2 parentheses quantity squared plus 1. And see how that changes it. Now my graph, look how big my grids are right now. So if I want to see up where that actual vertex is, I might want to zoom in to see where the vertex is to see how much it changed. Okay, so there's just a brief little thing on how to use Desmos. There's some other things that this does, lots of other things. We're not going to get into it right now. You can see you can change lots of things here. This keyboard, there are functions. Most of those are not going to be something we use right now. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have questions, you know where to find us. Thanks.